Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new channel. My name is Luzdeyvis Menendez and this is your DIY project channel. In this episode, I will be teaching you guys how to do this amazing decor hacks all from Dollar Tree, and I hope you definitely like it. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend. So let's see, what do you need in order to make this amazing decor? To start off, I am going to be using this hanging wire basket that you could find it at your nearest Dollar Tree store. You could also find it at their website. I'm also going to be using the cuckoo basket that goes inside this wire basket. There you see. This is really important if you want to make a flower basket. Also, I'm going to be using these pool noodles where I am going to be inserting inside this cuckoo liner. You could also find it at your local Dollar Tree store. You could use any color if you want, but I'm going to be using different colors, doesn't matter. But it does help you, and it also saves you a lot of money, because with one long pool noodle you could make so many arrangements, and so you save a lot of money in that. Okay, so I am going to be cutting this in 3 pieces, and I'm going to insert them inside. If you want to go ahead, you could definitely shape them around the way you like it, and then I'm here adjusting them, you know, to see if they fit well, to see how they will blend in, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I definitely going to use these 3 bundles of greens. I was able to find 2 of this material, and then I was able to find 1 of the other one. So, and then I couldn't find 3 of the same bundle. Okay, so now I'm gonna be cutting them with my wire cutter, and then I am going to be gluing these pool noodles with the glue gun to hold it in place, because I don't want to be having a mess up uh, a mess up basket. Now I am not gonna glue the pool noodle to the cuckoo basket, because I would like to use it for another DIY project. So yeah, and then I am going to be using this one first, this side of greens first, because since I only have 1 bundle, I'm just gonna use it in the middle, and then I am going to be covering the outer area with the other one, and that way nobody will know that I'm using 2. Okay, so they're totally different, but it looks nice. So I'm using the long stem, the long wire in the middle first, and then I am gonna be covering the small ones on the sides. Like that, I could definitely cover those open areas, and that way it will look really full and really nice. So yeah guys, I definitely recommend you to use these leaves. If in your local store, if you don't have these kinds, then you could definitely go to Walmart. On Walmart they also have specials, and they also sell them for $1 as well. Some of them they sell them for $1 or $1.50. But yeah, but I have like 7 Dollar Tree near my area, so if I don't find this, I'll go to every store to find what I want. It's like a search hunt. So yeah, I do that a lot, because yeah, I go crazy. So yeah. Okay, so like you see, I am shaping them, you know, trying to cover those areas. For the red, doesn't show that much, right? And it's not gonna show. So yeah, this is how it came out. It looks really nice. It looks really full. Now I am going to be adding these flowers that I also bought at Dollar Tree. There you see, I am going to be using white and yellow, right? Just to make it only those two colors. If you want to go ahead, you could definitely use different colors. That's really nice. This flowers is just to cover those areas that the noodles are visible, and like that it will definitely great. It will look definitely great. So I definitely recommend you to use these flowers. If you don't find any of these flowers, you could definitely go to Walmart. I know that also Walmart has flowers for $1 or even less. So yeah, they also have specials in the clearance area, and you could definitely enjoy those. So yeah, this is how it came out. It looks really nice, guys. Now I'm gonna put the hanger, and I am going to hang it in my balcony door. Yeah, because I live in an apartment. I don't live in a house yet. Okay, so yeah, this is how it came. It looks really nice, guys. So I hope you definitely liked it. Now, if you don't want to use this basket for flowers, you could definitely use it for fruit basket. Now, I'm going to remove this hanger, and maybe I could use it for something else, but I'm not going to throw it away. Okay, and so what I did is I purchased some leaves at my uh, Amazon, correct? And what I did was that I purchased those leaves, and I had so many of them in different sizes. And so I decided, you know what? Let me cover this basket with those leaves. And so that's what I did. And I grabbed the long ones, the big ones, right? The big leaves, right? And then I decided to glue them one by one, right? Over the top, on top of the other one, right? And so I'm gonna show you really quick how I did it. Um, so I put I grabbed some of them. I believe I grabbed three big ones, right? Three big ones like these, right? And then I grabbed like small ones as well to cover those holes and to cover those areas where I don't want to see I don't want to mess it up, right? And so this is what I did. Actually, I was measuring, I was trying to do I was trying to see how this was going to come up. Okay, so then I grabbed those leaves, and then I face them down, right? And so I group them like this, just to make it really nice. And then I use my glue gun to glue them all in place, all with glue gun. Okay, and so yeah, I was trying to measure it to see if it was gonna come nice and all that stuff. And so what I came up with is that I actually glue them outside the wire, just to make the basket really nice. I mean, you don't have to use this wire. You could use any basket if you want. Actually, in the Dollar Tree, you could find plastic baskets, and you could do that as well instead of using the wire. But I just wanted to see if it works, and to see if it was gonna make something nice. And also, after you glue this together, you could even take it out really easy, and it's not gonna cause any damage or any harm to neither of the leaves or neither the wire baskets. And so yeah, so I glue them all in place, and after that I decided to put the smaller leaves like around it, just to cover those spaces and those areas, and to make it more firm. So yes, and and there you go. This is your fruit basket. It looks really nice, guys. It holds really great in place. Now, if you don't want to use the leaves, you could definitely use it without it, and it looks nice also. It just looks kind of empty. So now I grabbed two of these, correct, and I took off the wire that actually makes them hang. And what I'm gonna do is that I am gonna make a ball, right? And I'm gonna use this plastic holders that I also purchased it at the Dollar Tree, and it will help me with this arrangement. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold the two wire baskets all together with this plastic. I'm gonna be using like around two of them, like two of these plastics to hold them in place, you know. And then to cut it really easy, you could use your own wire cutter, or you could use your scissors. Okay, after I finish closing them up, I am going to be inserting a Walmart candle LED with that put that you add a battery, and then I'm gonna close them all together. You have to manipulate it very well, and then I'm gonna use this as a home decor, and it's gonna look really nice. For those who likes black and white, it looks really nice. Then I grab one of these lantern that I had. This is an old lantern that you could purchase also at Dollar Tree. Soon they're gonna be coming. Your local Dollar Tree. You could even find it at the webpage. And then I am going to remove this light that you have to also put batteries, right? And I'm gonna be using these light bulbs that you also can purchase at your local Dollar Tree. I normally see them at Christmas and Christmas time, right? But you could also find it in the webpage or at your Amazon as well. They're really not that expensive, they're really cheap. But if you want to purchase them, you could definitely find it at the Dollar Tree. And so then I removed that top of the bulb, light bulb, and then I am going to be glue them in place right where the light comes out, and then I am going to put the light bulb, the plastic light bulb, right? I'm gonna put it in there, and then it's gonna create like a fake light bulb, you know, for some reason. I just wanted to do that. You find a real light bulb and you could do it, then you could definitely do so, you know. It would look really nice if you put this on the side of your bed. Now that a lot of people are doing the rustic urban decorations, this goes along with this. So this is really nice for those who really wants this. Um, then I am going to be with my wire cutter. I am going to be closing the areas a little bit more inside for the other basket can go flowing and go accordingly, right? And then I'm gonna be closing the whole ball, closing both of them with more plastic holders. And there you go. This is looks really nice, guys. This is super cheap for only $5, guys. $5, and it looks really nice, and you can use it for any home decor. Okay, so now I am gonna grab one of these, only one, correct? And I am going to make a baby mobile. It could be used for baby, or you could use it for toddlers. I have a toddler myself, and he's 18 months, and I am teaching him how how to notice the letters, you know, the ABC, the numbers, also even the colors. And so this is go well. All of these yarns and plus the wood numbers you could purchase at the Dollar Tree. Plus the stickers, you can find them as well. I'm going to be using these. You could also find these also, and even more at your local Dollar Tree. And now I am going to be getting all of these yarns, right? And I'm going to be cutting like a long piece, correct? And then I'm going to fold them, right? And then this is how I'm gonna do it. It's really quite long enough, right? You can even do it longer if you want. And then I am gonna use one of my bobby pins, and I am gonna insert one of those beads that you could also find at the Dollar Tree. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to grab one of them, one of the yarns, right? And I'm gonna do little by little, like one by one. I am gonna be holding in place inside the circle of this basket. I grabbed these colors because it blends with the room, my son's room, right? But there's more colors that you could pick in your store. There's pink, red, any color you name it. So I did grab these, right? Just to, it could blend in with my baby's room. Okay. I am going to be grabbing one of those, right? And then I am just gonna make a knot, right? Just a simple knot and close to the wire, just like you see, right? And then the leftover, I'm just gonna round it all around the wire, like you see in the picture. Now, since I cut my yarn really short, I am gonna be completing them with more yarn, right? And I'm not gonna cut the leftovers because I'm gonna be using them to hang these numbers and the and the animals. Okay, now before I glue the numbers and the animals in the end of the string, I'm gonna add a bead, and then once I put it in like this, I'm gonna make 2 holes or 3 holes depending of the yarn, and then it's just to hold it in place, to hold the place the beads for they don't fall off, because I wanted to make it. Oh, now I wanted. Okay, so if you want, depending on the color of your room, the baby's room, you could even spray paint the basket. Instead of black, you could use a different color and it would look really nice and it would definitely blend in. I left it in black because I wanted to teach my son that there's also a black color, not only these, but there's more. So yeah. Okay. And so then I actually, between those wires, I also add another string just by creating a knot or 2 knots, and then at the end I glue a number or a animal, and there you go. It looks really nice, guys. Now you don't have to do all the string at the same time. You could do different sizes, and it looks really nice with different sizes. Okay, that is also a great thing to show your loved ones, your baby, and your toddler, that there's different sizes of things. And so then in the middle, where you notice that I had to use 2 yarns, I glue like the leftover the stickers and the leftovers of the numbers, and that way it will look really nice. Now if that case doesn't happen to you, you don't have to do that, but if you want to do that, yeah. Now previously I was doing it like this, I was gluing this by this, but it looked really bad. So I definitely wanted to show you both, just for you to compare and for you to see my mistake, because I want to be transparent with you guys. And so yeah, I didn't like it that way, so then I decided to change it around, and this is how it came out, guys. If you really like it, please subscribe to my channel. This is a brand new channel. I'm trying to launch this because I want to definitely create more and show you guys my creations. So yeah, guys, I hope you definitely like it. I hope you definitely like it. If you do, please share this with your friend. And who would have thought that this piece will cost only $9? So it's really cheap, and you would definitely do it on your own. You would definitely like it because you did it on your own, and you're gonna feel proud. After you use it, you can remove everything really easy, and that's it. Now you're gonna see my baby playing with this. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Please help me share this with your friends and family. And do not forget to visit my other channel and my web page. And you could definitely follow me on my social media. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on my next video.